Want to play PlayStation 3 games directly on your iPhone without needing a PC or jailbreak? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm showing you the complete step-by-step setup guide for the PS3 iOS emulator. To set this up, we'll be using iLoader on Mac to sign and install the PS3 iOS IPA file directly onto our connected iPhone. Once the signing process finishes, the app icon appears right on your home screen. Now, if you tap to open it, iOS will display an untrusted developer warning. Don't panic. This is standard for side-loaded apps. First, let's enable developer mode. Head over to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, go all the way to the bottom, tap Developer Mode, and toggle it on. Next, go to Settings General VPN, and Device Management. Under Developer App, select your Apple ID profile, tap Trust, and confirm your choice. With permissions set, open the PS3 iOS app. Notice the top warning indicating that PS3 firmware is missing. To fix this, tap the link to open Safari and head over to PlayStation's official support page. Scroll down to Reinstall using a computer and download the official PS3 update.pup firmware file. Once downloaded, return to the PS3 iOS app, select the firmware update file from your Downloads folder, and let the emulator install the system software. When complete, tap Done. Finally, to add your games, tap Install, select Install a disk image or a package, browse your local storage for your PS3 game ISO file, like Minecraft PS3 Edition, and hit Convert. Once extracted, the game cover appears on your dashboard, fully ready to play. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.